With our participation in Gain4Moz project, Port of Koper aims to investigate potentials of using LNG in our daily port operations. Additionally, the port also aims to identify the different LNG-related infrastructure needs, challenges and potential bottlenecks to ensure a smooth implementation of modern energy solutions that are designed to improve efficiency and CO2 and sulfur emission reduction in our port. For this reason, we see this project as the first step toward the development of an LNG infrastructure at the Port of Koper. We also wish to point out that Port of Koper is completely and absolutely devoted to its environmental and energy efficiency policy, and therefore we truly believe in the need of pilot projects and the positive impacts obtained by sharing best practice beyond national borders for the further development of Mediterranean ports. From the Port of Koper point of view, the LNG ship bunkering market has a promising growth potential, of which we are expecting it to reach a certain level of maturity, proving its economic potential within the next 20 years. We are including in our strategic development plan a gradual approach regarding the volume of LNG bunkering and its distribution. However, the current spatial plan of the Port of Koper does not foresee any LNG installations or facilities in its actual port area. This is one of the reasons why we are cooperating with Istrabenz Plini, who am also partner in Gain4Moz project, to carry out a pilot of LNG truck fueling station just outside the port area. We believe that our cooperation with Istrabenz Plini will provide safe, efficient and economically competitive LNG supply for all our customers and partners. And further, we will see whether these results are achieved during the pilot in real-life operation and carried out in the framework of the Gain4Moz project. At this moment, we are assessing possible solutions to enable the Port of Koper to supply LNG vessels and port handling equipment. We shall also examine the technical possibilities for supplying electricity to vessels which are moored at the port via mobile generator fueled by LNG. Our envisioned studies will take into account any peculiarities and space restriction of existing berths, throughput technologies and necessary safety requirements in the Port of Koper. And the final goal will be to provide a methodological approach and decision-making criteria to find a realistic solution for supplying LNG in the Port of Koper. Besides technical analysis, we think that the Gain4Moz project is an opportunity to strengthen our cooperation with other Mediterranean ports in the field of innovative energy solutions, achieving environmental excellence and enable to prepare and train port staff on safety procedures. Finally, point out, we also see this project as a platform to enable efficient communication with the general public in matter of future development challenges and possible benefit of use of LNG for the local municipalities and small and medium-sized enterprises.